How to fix ExpressVPN for Google Chrome proxy not working. If ExpressVPN for Google Chrome is not working as expected and you are facing issues with the proxy settings, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the problem. 1. Check ExpressVPN connection *. Ensure that ExpressVPN is connected to a server. You should see a notification or indicator confirming the connection. 2. ExpressVPN settings *. Open the ExpressVPN application and check its settings. Make sure that the VPN is enabled and configured correctly. 3. Reinstall ExpressVPN extension *. If you are using the ExpressVPN Chrome extension, try reinstalling it. Remove the extension, restart Chrome, and then reinstall the extension from the Chrome Web Store. 4. Clear browser cache *. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Cached data might interfere with the proper functioning of the VPN. 5. Check for browser extensions conflicts *. Disable other Chrome extensions temporarily to check if there is a conflict. Some extensions might interfere with the VPN extension. 6. ExpressVPN support *. If the issue persists, contact ExpressVPN support for assistance. They can provide guidance and help troubleshoot any technical problems with their service. 7. Update ExpressVPN and Chrome *. Make sure that you are using the latest versions of both ExpressVPN and Google Chrome. Update the applications if newer versions are available. 8. Firewall/antivirus software *. Check if your firewall or antivirus software is blocking a VPN connection. Temporarily disable such software to see if it resolves the issue. 9. Network issues *. Ensure that there are no network issues affecting your internet connection. Try connecting to different servers within ExpressVPN. Remember that the specifics might vary based on your operating system and the version of ExpressVPN you are using. If the issue persists after trying these steps, reaching out to ExpressVPN's customer support would be the best course of action for personalized assistance.